What the heck is going on, you guys? Biggs here from Learn Bengali, and in this tutorial I'm going to go over object pronouns. Okay, what is object pronoun, and what the object pronouns are in English, and the translation, the Bengali translation of that. I'm going to go over all of them with you right now, so let's get started. Okay, alright, so let's go over the object pronoun here. Well, the description, the definition of object pronoun right here. So an object pronoun is a personal pronoun that is used typically as a grammatical object, the direct or indirect object of a verb, or the object of a preposition. Object pronouns in English take the objective case. So let's go over an example here, okay? So me, see, the English object pronoun me is found in they see me, or he's giving me the book. Oh, no, he's giving me my book. What am I saying? I'm tired today. But yeah, that's that. If you want more information in this regard, check out Wikipedia page. I'm gonna have the link pasted below. Okay, but right now let's just jump into object pronouns and get the Bengali equivalent of that right away. Okay. All right. So here we are. On the left we have the object pronouns in English, and on the right we have the Bengali version of that. Okay. So we start with me, you, him, her, us, them, and it. Okay. So what's me? Is amake. Amake. It's not amike or something. It's amake. Okay. Amake. And that's what we write in Bangla. Okay. Amake. You is tomake. Tomake. Okay. So this is not tomake. It's tomake. Tomake. Him and her is the same. Take is not take. Just to let you all know. It's not take. It's take. It's the to here. It's not the to. It's the to. To. If you have any question, concern, go ahead and watch my video on Bangla Benjamin or Bangla consonants. Okay, so him or her is take, take. Us is amader, amader, amader. Right? See, amader, amader, right there. Them is tader. Okay, tader. So it's the to here. It's not the to. It's to. Tader. And at the end we have it. You can say etar by, oh no, etake, etake, etake. Okay, so once again let me go over this thing again. Me is amake, you is tomake, him is take, her is take. It's pretty gender neutral. Us is amader, them is tader, it is etake. Okay, so that's basically it. That covers it up for object pronouns. Any question, comment, concern, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.